Disney's Lady and the Tramp. What's that noise? It was a dark night. Lady and Tramp were alone in the house. Suddenly, Lady heard a noise. "What's that noise?" Lady asked Tramp. "The floor is making that noise," said Tramp. Lady was not so sure, but Tramp said, "Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." Tramp shut his eyes, but Lady could not sleep. "I must watch the house," she said. Then Lady heard another noise. She shook Tramp. "What's that noise?" Lady asked. "That noise is just the wind," said Tramp. "Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." Lady heard another noise. Bang! Crash! Who was outside the house? "What's that noise?" Lady asked Tramp. Tramp said, "That is just thunder. Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." "I hope you are right," Lady said. Lady heard another sound. Blink, blink. Was there someone inside the house? Lady ran to the kitchen and barked. Tramp ran in. "What's that noise?" Lady asked. "That noise is the rain falling into the pot," Tramp said. Tramp said, "Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." Lady heard the window shake. Then she heard a loud bark. Ruff, ruff, ruff. It was Tramp. Tramp was looking at a big shadow on the wall. "What is that?" Tramp asked Lady. Lady had to find out what it was. Lady said, "I must be brave." She looked at the rug. The big shadow was a teeny tiny bug. Tramp was still on the piano. "Do not be afraid," Lady said. "It's a teeny tiny bug." "I was not afraid," Tramp said. "Tramp, you are right," Lady said. "We are safe and sound." "That's right," Tramp said. "We are the bravest dogs around."